He don't know whether he wants to. What's he doing? He's taking a run at it.
Going through it?
Yeah.
He's gonna take a run at it.
Yeah. No, maybe he's not. What's he doing?
Maybe.
He's going back through it, I think. What the hell is he doing? Oh, he must not want to go through that way.
Holy cow, it's been raining since we started doing all this stuff.
Yeah? Call Ryan Jellison up to, or Lights and tell him to bring his Geo and come Baja him through it.
Oh my god.
Do it, Ryan.
That power box is gonna go out. Our entire block is gonna go out.
We just bought groceries too.
I know. Well, all the freezer stuff will be okay, but the milk won't be.
Put the milk in the freezer if there's room.
I better call the city though.
Do it.
I'm waiting for somebody to go by.
I'll tell you.
It's flooding so bad they blocked off the roads up there. Oh, here comes the boys. Pretty sweet. Anyway, now they're... I don't know what they're doing. But at least it went down on our side. If you can see, the tree's not flooded around anymore. And that's not flooded up by anymore. The telephones aren't. So hopefully it gets better because I don't want to have to leave the house. There's a kid playing in the water. It's pretty funny. Look at the park now. Oh, my camera's getting rained on. Look at the park though. Completely flooded. Completely flooded. And I am getting rained on like no other. I cannot believe how flooded that park is. You're okay.
It's the first time I've ever seen a flood like this. This is so cool.
And I got it all on camera.
I'm so holy shit. I'm gonna take my truck to this.
Look at the park. I cannot believe how bad the park is.
Go through.
He won't be able to make it. Travis is freaking insane. Everyone in the car? I cannot believe how bad the park is. Kiara, it's okay. Kiara, honey.
I think their car stalled.
I'm doing it because I need to keep my sanity a little bit.
Here, let me open the door.
I think their car stalled.
Some people just don't know
Right next to the cone.
Well, there are the cones right there.
Hey, what are you doing? Oh, have you seen Bomb Park? Yeah, it's all up by, it's down past our house. Yeah.
Kiara.
Is it?
Okay, Travis and Ryan trying to help the lady back up from the car. There they go. They're getting the car out of the water finally.